Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the VSA fuse is located, guys. This is the Vehicle Stability Assist fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain. We have 4 fuses. We'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way don't waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So here now, guys, let's go ahead and explain which fuses we need to check. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV that we have right here. You have 2 different fuse boxes. Today we will be working in both of them. We will start with the fuse box that's on the inside, and if you come under the dash on the driver's side all the way above the pedals in the left corner there, guys, if you look, you will see that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right there. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here in this fuse box we'll need to check just 1 fuse, but then we need to go to a different fuse box that we'll need to check 3 more fuses. And here, guys, we're talking about fuse number 24, that 7.5 amp fuse right here, fuse number 24. Under the hood, that's the main engine management fuse box right here. Open that cover here, guys, and you will see a fuse box layout like this one. This is the front of the Honda CRV. This towards the windshield side. We have it sideways so we can show you better with a great detail. Here, guys, okay, we'll need to check 3 fuses specifically. Some of you may have all 3, some may not. We're talking about fuse number 9. You may have or you may not have that one depending on the model, year and configuration right here. Then we need to check, guys, another fuse specifically, and that's fuse number, it's a little bit different. It's in that multi-block fuse, guys. A multi-block fuse consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, that's the top view. Okay, and that's the side view. If one of those burns, we have to replace the whole fuse box, guys. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. The other fuse consists of 11 individual fuses. So here in that one now, okay, we'll need to check 1 fuse here, and we're talking about, if you start from this side, you count 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here, that fuse, guys, okay, that's 40 amp fuse, you will need to check. Then you need to come to that multi-block fuse with 11 fuses, guys. No, excuse me, you need to come again to this one and you need to check the one next to it. So third third and fourth fuse right here, 40 and 20 amp fuse will need to be checked for the VSA, Vehicle Stability Assist. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.